This video is for you that using Discord on your Mac or any Mac system, literally. And if you open the settings right here and you go to voice and video, and then you see that your input volume is already max, and your friends are complaining that your mic is sounding way too low, just make sure that this is max. And what you're gonna do next is you need to open this sorry, you need to open these settings up. And how to open these settings up, you can search it, comment in space, search for audio, and it will comes up, and click on this audio media setup. You don't need to install this, it is already installed in your Mac. And then what you're gonna do, your microphone or your MacBook Air microphone, just crank this up to the max, crank it up to the max. It's like this, and make it all to the max, and this will fix your issue. And if this doesn't fix your issue, you can tell your friends or whoever listening to you to crank up your user volume to 200%. It is not your fault anymore if they cannot hear you. It's their fault. So hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.